Turbo coin, y'all. Still one of my top three toad and fraud coins. I just don't talk about it like that. But hey, still a sleeping giant. Sitting at $125 million market cap at the time of this video. 29 million 24-hour volume. Sitting at 2018. To me, this is remarkable because when I got in, personally, I got in when it was at 203. So 201 for me is exceptional. So I'm buying a dip. I don't know what y'all doing, but as you may know, this is not financial advice. I'm just a man doing research, and I'm trying to just grab every opportunity that I can. Financial freedom is on my agenda. So, do what you're going to do. Turbo is at a discount. Is you buying or not? Peace.